Two people, same neighborhood, same job, same paycheck. 10 years later, one owns a home, has zero debt, and $50,000 saved. The other is still broke. Same problems, same stress, same paycheck. What happened? It wasn't luck. It wasn't a raise. It was 5 small habits that most people think don't matter. They matter more than anything. Let's talk about them. Mistake number 1. The poor person carries a credit card balance every month. They think it's just the minimum payment, no big deal. But here's what actually happens. On a $6,500 balance at 20% interest, they're paying $108 every single month, just in interest. That's $1,300 a year for nothing. Zero. The rich person pays the full balance every month. They use the card for rewards, then pay it off completely. Same card, completely different result. Mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. Every time the poor person gets a raise, their spending goes up too. New phone, better car, nicer apartment. Their income grew, but so did every single expense. After 5 years of raises, they have nothing extra saved. The rich person does the opposite. When income goes up, their lifestyle stays the same. That extra money goes directly to savings and investments. One raise at a time, they build wealth. The other stays broke at a higher income. Mistake number 3, and this one is sneaky. Impulse buying studies show 89% of Americans make impulse purchases, averaging 6 per month, spending over $100 each time. That's $600 a month on things they didn't plan to buy. The rich person has one rule: wait 24 hours before buying anything over $50. Most of the time, after 24 hours, they don't want it anymore. That one rule saves hundreds every single month, not because they earn more, because they wait. Mistake number 4, no emergency fund. 1 in 4 Americans has $0 saved for emergencies. Zero. So when the car breaks down, they put it on the credit card. When the medical bill arrives, credit card. When they lose their job, more debt. Every emergency makes them poor. The rich person keeps 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account, untouched. When an emergency hits, they handle it with cash. No debt added. No stress spiral. The emergency doesn't change their life at all. Mistake number 5, and this is the one that hurts the most. Waiting to invest. The poor person says, I'll start investing when I have more money. The rich person started at 25 with just $100 a month. By 65, at 7% average return, that's $320,000. The person who waited until 35, same amount invested, ends up with only $160,000. Same money. 10 years later, half the result. Time is the most valuable thing in investing, and most people waste it. Here's what nobody tells you. The real difference between poor and rich isn't income, it's thinking. Poor thinking asks, can I afford the monthly payment? Rich thinking asks, what is this actually costing me over time? Poor thinking spends first and saves what's left. Rich thinking saves first and spends what's left. Those 2 sentences, applied every day for 10 years, create completely different lives. The habits are small. The impact is enormous. So here's your 5 fixes, starting today. 1. Pay your full credit card balance every month, no exceptions. 2. When your income goes up, keep your spending the same. Save the difference. 3. Wait 24 hours before any purchase over $50. 4. Build a $1,000 emergency fund first before anything else. 5. Start investing now. Even $20 a month today beats perfect timing every single time. 5 rules. Small changes, massive results. Let me show you the math. 2 people, same $40,000 income. 10 years. Person A follows the 5 mistakes, spends everything, pays interest, no savings. After 10 years, still broke, probably more debt. Person B follows the 5 fixes, saves the interest money, skips impulse buys, invests early. After 10 years, $30,000 to $50,000 saved, 0 high interest debt, and a habit system that keeps growing. Same income. 10 years, completely different financial lives. The gap between poor and rich isn't about luck. It's not about where you started. It's about 5 habits practiced every single day. Pay the full balance. Don't inflate your lifestyle. Wait before you buy. Build your emergency fund. Start investing today. You don't need a new income. You need a new system, and now you have one. Subscribe for One Money System every week, built for real people with real money problems. Drop a comment. Which of these 5 mistakes are you working on right now? Let's fix it together.